Hello to all. In this video, I'm going to share a function called conditional formatting in Excel. So conditional formatting can be found on home page, home tab in styles, conditional formatting. And today in this part, the first part, I'm going to share highlight cell rules. So the first property, highlight cell rules, has greater than. So to apply conditional formatting, the basic rule is first you need to select the range which you want to apply the condition. So now the first part which we are going to discuss is highlight cell rules greater than. Just click there, and this works on integers and numbers. So it says format cell that are greater than. So I want here to highlight all the cells which is greater than 200. So it will automatically highlight those cells which is greater than 200. And now the second part is that you can choose any color of your liking. For yellow with dark, that's, and there are various options. If you want to customize custom format, then you will have uh, you can select various other colors which you want to apply to your formatting. So for now the yellow is fine for me, and I want to highlight anything that is above 200. So click OK. So it will highlight all that have above 200. So this is the conditional formatting highlight cell rules greater than. Same goes for less than. If I have, okay, I'm sorry, I need to select the range first. Select this, highlight rules less than. So I want anyone that is less than 200. Oh, let's take it as 100, and I want it to be red. So I need to click OK. So it will highlight all the cells that is below 100. Now again, let's select the range and look at some other features of this function. The between, if I want anyone that is between let's say 200 to 400, so it will highlight those which are between this. Let's increase the lower value, that is 300 to 200, and let's select any color, that is green. I don't have any, so let's make it 200, and the upper limit should be 350. Yes, it has. So let's press OK. So it has highlighted all that cells which are between 200 to 350. So let's look to some other properties. Similar goes to equals to. If I want to highlight anything that is equals to any value that is equals to anything that is equals to 100, and let's give it a color green dark red. Okay, I already have used this. Yes, I want to use this. So let's click OK. So it will highlight those which are exactly equals to 100. Now I'm going to share a function in conditional formatting how to look into texts. So first select the data or the range which you want to highlight, then go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and text that contains. So in here you can add a string or an alphabet or a word. I want to have someone who has KUMAR. So it will highlight all those who have KUMAR word in their name. Similarly, if you want to highlight anyone having specific alphabet there, for example, let's have O. No, O is too much, so OR, and let's do it yellow. It will highlight those who have OR common in them. So this is how you can look this into the text as well. The last part in this video is working with dates in conditional formatting. So we need to first select the dates which we want to highlight, and then go to the highlight cell rules and go to date occurrence. So in this date occurrence you can see there are various types. You can highlight yesterday, tomorrow, today, in last 7 days, last week, this week, next week, last month, and so on. You can highlight this all things in your date. So let's go with yesterday, and I want to highlight them with red. Then press OK. Now let's try something else in this date feature, and I want to highlight this in last month and let them give them a yellow color. So this is how dates can be found. And now let's try of next month, and let's highlight them with green. This is how. The last example, let's now highlight of today's date. Is today's date in red text. Let's try something else that is red filled. You can see this is our today's date, and it will highlight. This is how you can work on dates. So the last topic in this video is duplicates, how to find duplicates. So in product name, let's find the duplicates. First we will select the range, and then we'll go to conditional formatting, then click on duplicates, and you can see here there are two features, duplicate and unique. First we'll go with duplicates and go to custom format so that we can select a color of our own. Let's put blue. Okay, and let's OK, and you can see it has selected us with duplicates, means any character or integer or a value or a string is more than once in the selected range. And this is duplicates, how we can find. Now let's look at the unique feature, duplicates, and select here unique, and let's go to the custom format and select green here and press OK, and you can see all the unique values are selected in green. So this is how it will work on numbers and text as well. The last part in this video is to clear the rules. So first if we go to conditional formatting and select in clear rules, so you can see only two options are valid now. Clear rule from entire sheet. This will clear out all the rules applied on all cells and column and rows on this sheet. And the first option, that is clear rule from the selected cell. So we will going to look to this feature. So now first select that and go to the clear rules and go to selected and click on clear rules from selected cell. This will remove all the rules from the selected range or the region of the sheet. So this is one way to remove the rules. So now if you want to select only a particular rule and keep rest of the rules applied, so for that we need to go to the conditional formatting, manage rules. This will give you the list of all the rules applied to the selected region. So currently in the product name there are two rules have been applied, unique and duplicate values. So I want to delete the unique one, so we'll select that. And if you want to delete duplicate, so click on that and it will get selected. Now we want to remove unique values, so I'm selecting unique values and I'll press on delete rules, so it will remove. And now if I apply, click on apply, so it will remove this rule from the selected region. And the rest, and this is how you can clear the rules, a particular rule from the sheet. And the rest of the functions we will study in detail in the next part of this conditional formatting. So now press OK. So this is how you can clear the rules, apply the conditional formatting, and then clear the rules. That's all in this video. Have a good time. Take care.